Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to log in to Trust Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Trust Wallet app on your device and tap I already have a wallet. Here, tap Multicoin Wallet. You must now enter the phrase that you copied in the sign-up process. So, tap Paste and tap Import. So that's how you log in to Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.